Didn't arrive on a slave ship, neither born into chattel slavery, but born at Tarzana Medical Center in the supersonic year of 1984. Then my mom moved to Washington, D.C., where I attended D.C. public schools. Later on, I was selected to be a marketing representative. How cool is that? I eventually graduated from the University of the District of Columbia, where guess what? After I crossed that stage, the safety net was no longer there. So I had to stay focused on the plan that I had written while in college, Exchange of a Lifetime. This was for a digital media workshop, lifetime streamers, and a fellowship program. I had no clue of what was on the other side of the world, but it was truly magnificent. An experience, an exchange of a lifetime. One that I will never forget. Well, when I came back to the United States, I says, welcome to the Mindy Jo News Show. That's what it's going to be. I had an opportunity to present to the university. At the time, I didn't have any content established, so I had to get busy. Well, I kept building and building, but I knew this was going to be a community show for the people. So I got to it. Let's get right to it. And eventually I had a social media conference at the University of the District of Columbia for social media enthusiasts, journalists, you name it, all of the innovators, creators, they were there. Well, I had to get back to Mindy Jo News Show as well to continue building. And lo and behold, we're here to stay, the emerging digital market. That's right. Well, I also had the pleasure of presenting what Mindy Jo News Show was about. And then I was glitched out. Wow. The FCC at the time didn't know what to do. And currently, to this day, I still don't know if they know what to do. But I knew I had to do something. So I ended up filing a lawsuit against Google's YouTube. Boy, was this going to be a work of art. But I just knew I had to stay focused also on building for Mindy Jo News Show. Well, I attended different events and things like that, had a freelance opportunity, and I still had to continue to build for Mindy Jo News Show. That's right, it didn't stop. So while I was on the battleship, I was still building. That's right. And right now, we are here to stay. I have built the emerging market after 8 years. That's right. But being glitched out and building is very challenging. But this was not about me. This was about regulation for closed captioning. I made so much noise they thought I was a rapper. Yeah, but I don't need to jail with those types of, malicious intention things. But I knew that a regulation needs to be set. So here we are, the emerging digital market that's here to stay. Closed captioning regulations will be here.